Leo, hi! Welcome to Mr. Queen PH. At ito ang inyong monthly reading for December 2023. Ayan, so this is a general reading. Just take what resonates. Watch your Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus for other messages. And thank you so much sa lahat ng sumusuporta dito sa ating channel. Just a reminder, gamitin nyo lamang ang reading na to bilang gabay. And pa-follow like na rin ang ating Facebook and TikTok. Lahat po yan, Mr. Queen PH. Please check out my online shop sa Shopee, Mr. Queen PH, for protection and prosperity items, bracelets, and zodiac sign bracelets na perfect pang regalo ngayong holiday season. Dahil bukod sa mga vouchers na available para sa inyo, may 25% discount din tayo sa lahat ng items until November 30, 2023. So grab this opportunity at padaluyin ng swerte sa pagsalubong ng taong 2024. Check out nyo na yan. Lahat ng links ay nasa description. For you, Leo, so ito ang Leo bracelet. Meron siyang carnelian, red jasper, and rose quartz na nag-a-align sa energies ng mga Leo. So available to sa black box. And then meron din tayong white box. Just in case you want this na pang-regalo. Yan, perfect pang-regalo. And available pa rin naman yung naka-pouch for personal use. Ayan. So, link on the description. Check nyo na lang. So, let's see, Leo, what's up for you ngayong December? Anong mga posibleng maganap ngayong December? So, let's see your overall energy for December. Wow. Okay, this is your challenge. This is your opportunity and your blessing. Leaning towards your heart chakra to. So, more on loving yourself, taking care of yourself. So, your energy is the tiger's eye. So, courage, no? Lakas ng loob, tibay ng dibdib. So, I think ngayong December, mas marami kayong i-explore, susubukan, no, ng mga bagay. This can be anything. Pwedeng sa relationship, pwedeng sa trabaho, career, or different ventures na susubukan nyo. Kasi mas malakas na yung loob ninyo. So, let us see what else. Ano tong courage na ito? Ano tong magbibigay sa inyo ng lakas ng loob? Wow. You have the Queen of Swords. Sobrang ano nyo ngayon. I think you have learned a lot from your past, especially yung mga naging experiences ninyo. So ngayon mas confident kayo na express yung sarili nyo. And you know how to say no. Dati kasi okay lang, oo lang ng oo. Like, sige, let's do it. But for you, you are setting boundaries, no? Malakas na yung loob mo na mag-set ng boundaries na para hindi ka i-take advantage ng iba. Minsan kasi parang iba nahihiya, kahit labag sa kalooban nila gagawin or sasabihin para, para wala nang gulo. But for you, you know your worth, no? Malakas na yung loob mo na ipahayag yung sarili mo, this is your authentic self. So, ngayong December, you will be showing your authentic self. You will step into your authenticity. So, yung iyong challenge naman is grounding. So, possible na maging very busy ka, marami kang gagawin. Maaring lesser yung oras at panahon mo na i-ground mo yung sarili mo. So, this is time with nature, go out, ang tawag doon, touch some grass, sabi nga nila. Maaring literal din to na tipong maglalakad ka ng barefoot, no, sa kalsada. Yung may lupa, oo. That's one of our ways to ground ourselves, to release, remove the negative energies, and even to hug a tree, no, yung yakapin mo yung tree, or anything na activities that you will do it with nature, no? So, maaari ring part of your meditation din to. And also protecting your energies, no? Kasi itong hematite is for protection and cleansing rin. What is this? Page of Wands. So, some of you, maaring may mga plano kayong gawin ngayong December na mangangailangan kayo ng kasama, no, ng Yung tipo nga ba, meron kayong gustong asikasuhin or explore na bagay na interesado kayo. So, maaring mangangailangan kayo ng kasama para syempre, no, mas malakas yung loob ninyo. So, I think itong lakas ng loob na to ay yung mga gusto mong i-explore na at the same time, gusto mo rin na may makasama ka ng mga taong mapagkakatiwalaan mo. And then, speaking of mapagkakatiwalaan, so this is your opportunity. This is trusting yourself. This is trusting how you feel, no? So, I feel like this is connected to your heart. This is connected to your feelings, your emotions. I think mas magiging connected ka sa nararamdaman mo, no? That's why mas magiging authentic ka ngayong December. So, trusting yourself, trusting your gut, and, just choosing the people na alam mong pwede mong pagkatiwalaan. See, this is the Justice card, and trust is also connected to the truth, no? 'Di ba? Kapag alam natin na ang isang tao o isang bagay, sitwasyon ay totoo, so mas nagtitiwala tayo dyan. So, for you, you know the truth, you know who you are, no? Mas magiging, maliwanag or clear yung judgment mo sa maraming bagay. Kaya, mas madali kang magtiwala sa nararamdaman mo kasi alam mo kung ano yung makakabuti sa'yo, alam mo rin kung ano yung hindi. And also, this is your blessing, flexibility. So, you're going to be very busy. You will do a lot of things. Maaring marami kang aasikasuhin ngayong December. Trabaho, business, career mo, or even travel opportunities din ito for you. So, ibig sabihin yan, mas adaptable ka. Mas marami kang kayang gawin. Maaring mas marami kang mga pag-aaralan or idadagdag na skills para mas flexible ka. You can do a lot of things. See, you have the 8 of Wands. Speaking of doing a lot of things, you just have to manage your time, no? Para hindi mag-pile up yung mga kailangan mong asikasuhin. Para lahat yan, na ma-manage mo ng maayos. Oo. And I'm also seeing a lot of messages coming through. Maaring itong mga messages na to are opportunities na coming your way. So, syempre, hindi naman lahat ng opportunities are good for you or kaya mong i-handle. So, just make sure na kung ano man yung i-commit mo, kaya mo siyang panindigan. Okay, so let's see what else for Leo. December 2023. Oh, transformation. There's an ending and new beginning. So, there's a door of opportunity that is opening up for you. Yung iba sa inyo, meron kayong i-end na situation, trabaho, career, business, or even relationship that leads to a new experience. You have this 6 of Swords. This is moving on, moving forward. I think, meron kang iiwasan or iiwanan na sitwasyon na alam mong hindi ka na masaya. Ito yung pwedeng nagkaroon ka ng conflict with the people you are working with or yung mga kasama mo dyan. So, some of you might be leaving that job, that department, that area, or that place to go somewhere else na kung saan mas magkakaroon ka ng peace of mind. Let's see what else. You have the 2 of Swords. So, some of you, medyo mahirap yung decision making na gagawin nyo na to. But, you know for yourself kung ano talaga yung best for you. You are highly connected to your intuition. So, use that to your advantage. Meron mga tao na magta-try na pigilan ka sa mga decision mo. But, stand your ground, no? Or stay your ground. Tama ba? Basta, panindigan mo yung mga decision mo, lalo na kung alam mo talaga na ito yung makakabuti para sa'yo. So, let's see what other messages for you, Leo, for December 2023. Situations in the balance that require careful handling. O, ayun na nga. Ito yung nabanggit ko sa inyo kanina na i-manage nyo yung oras at panahon ninyo. And syempre, yung mga bagay na responsibilities na kukunin nyo ngayong December, make sure na kaya nyong i-manage, no? O kaya nyong gawin. Disappointment in a friend or a lover. Okay. Some of you, maaring ito yung ika-cut off na connection ngayong December. Or You might feel na parang pwedeng mag-end ka ng connection with someone. It can be a friend na masyado ng maraming disappointments na binibigay sa'yo. Okay? And then, excitement. Something very exciting you will experience ngayong December. I think ito yung new beginnings na i-explore mo ngayong December. So, you're going to be very excited about it. Especially kung lilipat ka ng bahay, ng trabaho, no? Or magta-travel ka. Merong advice from a friend, dog barking. So, you might be talking to some of your closest friends para humingi ng advice. News of birth or new business opportunity. So, some of you, meron talagang new beginnings with the stork here. So, this can be a new business opportunity for you. Or meron kang parang ipapanganak na bagong proyekto, no? Na kung saan excited ka na subukan na ito. So, let's see naman energies for your love life na mga Leo. Love life ng mga Leo. Okay, friendship. So, you will focus more on your connections, your friends. Or some of you will be traveling with your friends, enjoying your time with them. Pwede ka rin makakilala ng potential romantic partner through your friends or with your friends, no? Oo, yung iba, dyan nakakakilala ng romantic partner nila kasi ipapakilala ng friend nila, yung other friend nila. No? So, meron tong potential na mag-grow. Or some of you naman, meron kayong new friends na makikilala while you travel and while you change your situation. Like, maglilipat ng bahay. So, syempre, may bago kang friend doon. May mga secrets. Someone or something is hidden from you. Honeymoon. Okay. So, maaring meron kang tutuklasin tungkol sa isang tao. Mas lalo mong kikilalanin tong tao na to na hindi mo pa alam yung mga importanteng bagay tungkol sa kanya. So, para siyang babala sa'yo na before you get intimate with someone, you need to get to know this person first. Kasi pwedeng meron tong mga, hindi mo pa alam na mga bagay-bagay tungkol sa kanya. Kaya, para at least you know who this person is, yung background niya, 'di ba? So, sa money, career, finances, the boss, o talagang iba sa inyo, merong business opportunities. Maaring magtatayo ka ng sarili mong negosyo. O yung iba naman sa inyo, merong naka-line up na executive position sa trabaho, sa career mo. You are very charming, okay? So, maaring marami kang nakaka-capture ng mga admirers sa workplace mo or kahit saan. And you mesmerize people, no? So, meron ka raw style na nagka-captivate ng audience. So, maaring if you are thinking of, trying social media, maaring makatulong rin to sa'yo sa pagpapaunlad ng finances mo. Maaring ikaw ay sumikat. Okay, meron, yung iba sa inyo rito mag-ingat sa mga pagkakatiwalaan nyo sa work, business, kasi meron ditong pwedeng sumabotahe sa inyo, no? And then, meron ding authority. Nako, yun nga. Yung iba sa inyo, Leo, meron kayong mataas na position or leadership role na mag-unfold ngayong December. Okay, so let's see what else. Final message for Leo. Grounding. Oh, Leo, 2 beses tong lumabas sa inyo, grounding. Ground your energies and emotions deep into the earth. Ayan. So, always make sure na kapag ikaw ay merong heavy energies or heavy feelings, make sure na i-release mo yon, i-ground mo yon para hindi ka nagdadala ng mga baggages that might affect your mood or may maka-apekto sa iyong perspective sa buhay. Okay? So, reminder sa mga Leo na to ground ngayong December because pwedeng ngayong December, maaring maraming pwedeng mag-cause ng stress sa inyo. So, just make sure na you are releasing those negative energies, okay? So, that is your reading, Leo. Kung nagustuhan nyo to, naka-resonate kayo, mag-comment kayo dyan, like, share, subscribe para lagi kayong updated sa ating mga readings. Thank you so much, Leo. See you again.